Hello everybody, I'm Kate Blanchard reporting to you live from H&N headquarters. On today's segment, we will be learning about the tobacco mosaic virus from our special guest, scientist Sanya Hoskere. Let's move on to it. Hello everyone, I'm scientist Sanya Hoskere, and today I will be teaching you about the virus burgaviridae, most commonly known as the tobacco mosaic virus. The tobacco mosaic virus is a positive sense single-stranded RNA virus that is made up of nucleic acid and a surrounding protein coat that infects a variety of plants. The tobacco mosaic virus is simply transmitted when an infected leaf rubs against the leaf of a healthy plant, either by certain aphids, contaminated tools, or even by a gardener's hand or clothing which have been in contact with the infected plant. The tobacco mosaic virus can even infect when a plant has a wounded cell, and the virus is even able to contaminate seed coats, and the plants germinating from these seeds will become infected. The symptoms plants may experience after being infected by the tobacco mosaic virus are a stunting of growth and leaf curling, which we can see in these two comparisons. Along with those symptoms, plants also experience a mosaic pattern of yellow and dark green on the leaves, which we can see up here, and malformation of the leaves or growing points, and even distinct yellowing of the veins and tissues of the leaf. Once plants are infected with the tobacco mosaic virus, they aren't diseased right away, but they must be removed from other plants immediately, then destroyed. Therefore, any plant that is infected with the tobacco mosaic virus sadly does not survive. Unfortunately, there are absolutely no treatments or cures for the tobacco mosaic virus. Infected plants must be dug up from the roots, then burnt as soon as possible to prevent contamination to other plants in your garden. The tobacco mosaic virus occurs in all tobacco production areas. The disease is most prominent in many Asian countries such as China, Vietnam, and Thailand, as well as Oceania countries such as Indonesia and Australia, along with countries from the Americas such as Argentina and Brazil. The tobacco mosaic virus can exist in dry soil like this, or leaf debris for up to 2 years, but can only persist for 1 month if the soil is moist. If a plant is contaminated with the tobacco mosaic virus before planting, it can be incubated for 2 to 4 days. The tobacco mosaic virus has also been reported to be infectious for up to 50 years in the storage of a lab. This is what the tobacco mosaic virus looks like under a microscope, and as we can see, it is a rod-shaped particle that is about 300 nanometers long. The tobacco mosaic virus is completely dependent on its host for replication and spread. Ways to prevent your plants from getting the tobacco mosaic virus are practicing good hygiene throughout the seasons and regularly inspecting your plants to make sure they have no signs or symptoms of TMV. Practicing these measures can help your plant live a happy and healthy long life. Lastly, I would like to end off our segment with a fun fact. The tobacco mosaic virus was the first ever virus to be discovered in 1892 by this brilliant man right here, Martinus W. Bajornik. He stated that it was small and infectious, leading to the statement that TMV could not be cultured except in living, growing plants. Stay curious, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Back to you, Kate. Thank you so much for tuning into H&N. I hope you enjoy learning about the tobacco mosaic virus. Have a great day.